Cow is a useful and domestical animal. It has four legs, two one, and the cow's colors usually white or brown. Cow gives us milk. It is very useful of our life. We have get to sweet, butter, and other products in this milk. And cow gives us cow dung. It uses to fuel cakes. Cow lives in a cow shed. So we always carefully of these animals, and it is a large animal, and we are feeding this animal for myself. I say a educational excursion. At our childhood, our school organized a educational excursion, so we all gathered in our school and traveled to the educational museum by a bus, and we arrived at noon in this museum, and we all identified and or as known as the products and things, the agriculture and historical things which is observed in this museum. We were very happy, and it was a wonderful day. How make a orange juice? At first we select few fresh orange and wash it clearly and put it in the mixer, and some water and sugar absorbed it, and switch on the board, and after the liquid juice separated and poured in the bottles. Please subscribe.